not in the shop this morning. We are headed to Jed's. We're gonna run over, take this load of scrap, hopefully get a driver's door for Jace's Dakota and the whole trade of junk for good stuff. And then we're gonna swing by our distribution center and put some tool bags together. So it's gonna be a fun day, right, Hunter?
So fun.
Oh yeah, here we go. Let's go do it. Hopefully Jed's ready for us. Wants to unload this. He said he had some shenanigans that he wanted to do today, so you never know what Jed's got up his sleeve. We'll see when we get there, I guess.
Are you lost?
We are. Well, how do I get in here with this thing?
Main gate right there. You just nose into my neighbor's yard, back right up, and then we'll open up the gate.
All right. All right, Jed's gonna take us for a tour.
The $2 tour?
I mean, what are our options for the tour? The $2, or is the $2 the high tour?
Yeah. Meet the livestock. This is our dog Pubby. She's a good dog. She's a real sweetheart. She's getting old, but she still likes to fetch the tennis ball like crazy. This was the lounge.
This was
Now,
it.
This was it. But it's kind of just like the customer area now. And I've started to develop.
Picked a good motor for the corner.
Got to have a dartboard.
Oh yeah, we got a dartboard there. This
is the lounge.
This
now.
is the lounge.
I like what you've done with the place.
We have functioning plumbing in here. We got a water pressure gauge that actually works. It came from an old fire truck that came from Backhoe. And our cabinets came from old injection mold machines. I helped a buddy scrap out a bunch of old injection mold machines. And
That's awesome.
where all that came from. The sink, our very unique sink.
Yeah.
That came from the old high school ATC building. It was a hand wash sink. During the weekdays, when we're not hosting parties and having fun, when we actually work, this is where we have our lunch. We actually keep food and drinks and snacks
In the power cabinet. They have a TV.
They do.
We don't have a
Roku.
TV. Problem is, if I put a TV in there, Hunter may not come back to work. He'll be in there just lounged out.
He'll be at
That's
work,
true, yeah.
But not working.
He won't. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah. We get a little wild sometimes, lighting off fireworks and.
That never
doing
happens at our
stupid
shop,
things.
right?
Never.
I hate you. Literally. I hate you.
Dude, we got this thing out of the scrap pile just the other day.
You better get that running. What is it?
It's
a
gravelly.
gravely. Or
Gravelly?
gravely, whatever.
I don't know exactly how to pronounce it.
So that was the mower attachment there.
That was the anything attachment.
They made a ton
It's
of
like
stuff.
single mower, real mower, blade mower, circular saw,
Look at that.
6 foot
parking
bar.
lot broom,
A
Really
post
wasn't
hole
gravelly.
digger.
post hole drill. We're gonna put a blender on it because I found this blender. I found this blender in the scrap pile the other day, so I think we'll put a blender on it. This is the
Would you
coolest
try
thing.
one?
Love
No.
this.
I'll
Check
bet
this
you
motor
would.
out.
You've rotated some junk since I was here last.
Oh yeah, it's a whole different animal.
Yep, all different cars. Still lots of junk, but just
Oh,
different
yeah.
junk. It's a good time. You don't
It
care.
is.
You just throw stuff. Never gets old.
Here to give it a try. Let's see if he can run my old junk.
You're not gonna get it back. How is that not fun?
if we're gonna crush the cars later?
Kind of, maybe.
Maybe.
I don't, maybe not.
You see my new toy. This is cool. Well, should we see if we can find you some Dodge parts?
Let's look for some Dodge parts.
I'll bet we got one or
That
two.
was fun. All right, we've toured around the yard. I found a van that I can't live without, so we're coming back for that. So it's gonna be fun. You guys will benefit from us getting this van, I guarantee. We're out of here for now, and we'll leave Jed to tearing cars apart. And
We're gonna keep on crushing them.
yep, keep making junk.
That's what we do.
We'll bring you some more.
All right,
See you
gentlemen.
later, man. Thank you.
See you, man.
We'll see if she's awake. She is awake.
Hello.
We're
How
coming
are
in the
you?
backside.
All right, sounds good. You want me to train you up real quick?
Yeah.
All right.
It's rocket science, Hunter. It is.
So this is it.
These, all of these boxes, this is what we have to do today.
These are the green ones, the new ones.
Yep. I like the green ones already. So basically, we ran out of black ones and couldn't get them for a while. So we're going green.
There's not much
I like
difference.
that.
200 of them. We'll have rivets on them today.
How's it going?
We're winning. I think we're down to 60 bags left that we have to rivet. So we're getting there. We've done almost 200 of them. Well, we'll have done 200 by the time we're done. 2 boxes left is all we got. We're coming down to the last few bags here, and we're out. Pretty soon, if you just keep pushing through, you're on your last rivet. Finished. Got her. Bags are back in stock.
We also wanted to let you guys know that these shirts are back. We made these shirts last year when Paul was building the Wrecker, the Built Not Bought shirts, and we got tons of people saying they want them back in stock, so we got them back in stock for you guys. So go check them out at thefabrats.com. Thank you to Factor 75 for sponsoring this video. Without sponsors like Factor, it would be way harder for us to buy the parts and stuff that we need to build and entertain you guys. So thank you, Factor. Not to mention they taste delicious. Stress less over meal times in the new year. Factor's no prep, no mess meals, free up time otherwise spent shopping, cooking, and cleanup. No more wasting time in the kitchen. They're ready to heat and eat in just 2 minutes, which means more time for you.
Get started on your resolutions with Factor so you're ready for the new year.
Factor's 2-minute meals are your secret weapon going into the new year.
When things get hectic, Factor is pretty flexible. Pause or reschedule your deliveries anytime.
Fuel up with restaurant quality meals delivered right to your door.
So head on over to factor75.com and click the link below and use code FABRATS50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and free wellness shots for life. 2 free wellness shots from 3 available flavors for every order while you're an active subscriber. So you guys are gonna wanna try Factor meals for yourself. Bon appetit.
All right, it's morning, and Hunter and I are out of here. We're gonna take this old Wrecker on its first recovery since we swapped the motor out. Hopefully it's good. We got an F450 stuck in the ditch, so it's gonna be heavy, so let's go get him. Excited to be driving this again. Away we go.
I like that whistle noise. That's
Oh yeah, you got a whistle noise.
I like that.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna earn this one. There's some stuck stuff up here. Very interesting. We'll pull up here and go look at it. Okay. Yeah, listen to this fan out here. All right, the fan is working. Here, so we're gonna drive this thing, see if it runs, moves. Holy crap! That's at like 45%.
That is a crazy fan.
We'll pull some air.
We'll just get up above.
Pull that on first. Then we can just spin that thing around right there and drive it out the bottom.
It's a long way to the bottom if you slip.
Yep. That's plenty big right there. I'm gonna park right here somewhere. And then we'll run a snatch block, pull it up on.
Get yourself a bobsled strap here. Oh man, I'm tall. Oh, Jim got some nice feet.
Yeah, I came down and just barely got a wheel off of there. The front end slid.
It was over at that point. Oh yeah.
I've gone sideways from the top all the way to the bottom. Well, what do you want to do first? You want to get that out of the way?
Now I'll pull your truck out.
Okay.
We'll get things happening. Well, we'll ease up here. We got us a game plan, and we'll winch this truck back up on the road. The Yankum snatch blocks that the thing will run through. I have the smaller ones. We'll use those today. There you go, head for that truck. I have you drive that truck. Get everything tight here. Are you in neutral or drive? Just ease a little. Turn hard, driver. Get up on the road. Okay, turn back. Alright, you're up on. Perfect.
That was easy.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
That snatch block makes things a lot easier.
Alright, so once you guys have put a winch extension in like this and pulled it, it's super tight. But if you just got a pair of pliers with you, just pull them loose. Get loose. Got it fixed. Be careful not to cut any of the fibers or anything, but just like that, with that, we go pull a tractor out. Alright, the battery's dead in this thing. Not surprised because it's cold. So we can get it to run. Alright, when you don't want to tear the whole side off to get to the batteries, you just go straight to the starter.
Well, that was easy. Easier than I expected. Let's go.
No? Did you ever have a plan of how you were gonna get it out by yourself?
Yeah, I was gonna get my dozer and pull it over here and do just exactly what
Oh, I see. All right.
My problem is my wife can't drive the tractor.
Oh, there you
So I
go.
was just waiting for a friend of mine to, but the truck, I don't want to bring my dozer up on this.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, I've
Tear it
skated
up.
that thing all the way to the bottom of the hill. All right, if you want to pull this up, I'll park this down here by the dozer. Worked out really slick with that.
It's set up pretty well.
Yeah, it is. Works good.
Yep.
Those big old tires and.
Yep. And having the right equipment to
So
pull it.
you set that up so you can put the brakes on the rear and to turn it real sharp.
Well, yeah, and you can kick the rear wheels out and just have the front wheels turning.
Oh, that's
so it'll
neat.
pivot right around.
Yeah. That's slick.
All right, that wasn't bad. The heater works spectacular in here. It's hot currently. All right, that recovery wasn't bad. We got to use some equipment. The truck's happy, so I think we're good to go. Go home. Well, that's another successful recovery in the books for the old tow truck. So I think she's back. It's good to go. What have we got going on here with these two boys? They're building something. Power wheels. You never know with them.
Thanks for watching.